Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, I'm very excited, you guys, because this is my first Halloween video of 2020. And I don't know, this year I have been very excited to craft Halloween. So first project here is a cauldron, and I got this file off of the Silhouette Design Store, and link it in the description below. However, they call it a pot of gold, but I'm making it into a cauldron to do these little pieces here on the silhouette. And so I cut them, measured them, and did them by hand. And then if you can see closely, I did some black tulle from Hobby Lobby and then added this sequence here from Target. And I did that all through the bottom portion of the cauldron, and on the top portion I didn't add sequins, but I did add this orange cardstock, and then I also added the tulle. And then I sewed at the top. So this is what it looks like in the inside. So it's going to be a cauldron full of rosettes, and on the top it's going to be embellishments. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with rosettes. So I wrapped everything. So this is a rosette, and it's a Tim Holtz rosette with the scallop edge. So I did sew at the edges right here. So let's go and glue this together. This Recollections die from Michaels, and I'm going to use this pumpkin right here, and that's what I'm adding to the center of the rosette. Okay, it's all dry, and what I like to do is I like to add a backing to the rosette, and so I have a circle here that I punched out with my Paper Studios punch. So just add glue, and we're going to attach this to the back. Okay, now the front is this pumpkin right here, and let's go ahead and glue it to the rosette. So that's the rosette. So go ahead and decorate this, and this is the crinkle paper I'm using. And so let's go ahead and add some of that crinkleness, and then let's add our rosettes. Add some of this on the top. Now let's put the lid on. Let's go ahead and decorate this, you guys. I'm going to use this bow. This is the Alina Cuddle bow, and what I did is I just hand cut a border of the orange cardstock around the Alina Cuddle bow and older version, which was gifted to me, and I have been using it like crazy. So that's it right there. And I just cut off the lace portion of the bow, and so then I fussy cut a border. So that's that, and we're going to add a bat as well. So I learned this technique from Sabrina Ann. Oh, the bat is a silhouette file, and so I'm just going to add the bat like so. So that's what it would look like. So let's go ahead and do that. I went ahead and did this off camera. I cut a strip, 12 by 12 paper. This is about, let's see here, about a little bit over a ½ inch. Sewed a zigzag on top of it. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add it to the cauldron, and this is the part we're gonna add it to right here. It's not gonna go all the way around the cauldron. You see how there's a piece there, but that's fine because that's where the bow will be. So if I hold it here, the bow will be right here, and it'll be hiding all that. So go ahead and glue that. And so I'm gonna use, you know what, I think I want to use some foam right here, and I'm gonna double up on this foam so it could be nice and thick. Okay, so we added foam to both sides, and I'm gonna need another one for the bat bow. So let's go ahead and glue this on. Once it's glued, that's it. No turning back. Now we're gonna add the bow. And you know what I want to do? I think I'm gonna want to put kind of like one right here as well to cover this like this. So there it is. It's looking really cute. Look at that. Super cute. And now let's go ahead and add some embellishments to this. Okay, so let's add these embellishments. So these embellishments are gonna go inside the cauldron. That's what that looks like. So cute. Isn't it cute? I did a little dangle right here. I added some sequins as well. And a little bat at the back. There it is. So let's go ahead and add that there. And then here's this one right here. This one has some stones, a bat. It has the web. I'm using this die right here, the web, right there. And then the bat again is silhouette. So that's gonna go on top, right there. So let's go ahead and make a third one using these right here. Let's go ahead and put these in there. I got my paper clips. Okay, so this is what I do. I go ahead and get my ephemera and I place it next to the paper clip like this. I scrap lifted this from Shara, of course. She is the queen of embellishing. So let's go ahead and glue that right there. Now we'll grab this one and glue it right here. Okay, so I am just using this paintbrush, just something circular to round those thingamajiggies. So let's go ahead and insert it into the paper clip like this. I want to glue the back. So let's go ahead and do that. So there that is. Let's embellish this, and I picked this out. I like this right here. And this is what I normally do. I decorate it first, then I add all the layers. So I like how this is looking. And then the October at the bottom, like that. Oh, the glare has it. Let's see here. You see it now? Okay. And maybe I should have put this on first, darn it. Let me take that off. And it's okay if you cover stuff. So like I'm covering that saying at the back, which is fine. It's just, you gotta go with it. You gotta go with the flow. Okay, that looks better. I hope you can see that. And next is this cat, right? So this cat's gonna go right here, so we need something right there. And that's where this one comes in. That. So now we're gonna put this little cat right here. Dun, dun, dun. And there is the embellishment. And now all I have to do is add some bling. A bit of bling. There it is. Okay, let's go ahead and add some bling. I should have added this prior, but forgot. Oh, forgot. Now it's gonna be hard to get. Oh, I won't be able to do that one, so that one. There it is. We need bling on here. Let's keep that out. Here's this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this open. I'm gonna choose black. Oh. Okay, so we're using black. Okay, it's all done, you guys. Here it is. I added the spider right here, added a tassel, and there it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it to the top of the cauldron. So this is where the embellishments will be sticking out of. So right here. So pretty, you guys. So there it is. A cauldron full of rosettes and embellishments. And these will be in bags and they will be glued together with some removable adhesive. It'll be sitting right on top like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and I appreciate you guys sticking around this long, and thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next Halloween video. And thank you so much for buzzing with Spooky V. I will see you in the next video. Bye!